Them alarms. YouTube family. What's good, man? Your boy Jay is here, man. Look, I'm here to give y'all an unboxing video today, man. So shout out to y'all for pulling up, man. And as well, man, if y'all like, you know what I'm saying, I guess kind of the room view, you know what I'm saying, why I am doing these unboxings, if it makes it a little more interesting, go ahead and thumbs up the video, man. Do that for your boy real quick, man. Thumbs it up. Let's get this video up to about 2K. Quick 2K likes, man. That's nothing to y'all, man. Fam going crazy. But yes, man, today I got some unboxings. I ain't gonna talk y'all head off, but real quick, man, look, I want to talk to y'all about something, okay? The last time I gave y'all my room tour, I want to say it was my sneaker collection. Now I'm gonna play a quick clip from my sneaker collection while I am talking about this, but as you can see how my room looks, you know what I'm saying, it looks a little full, but it looks a little empty, right? So let's fast forward, you know what I'm saying, coming back to right now, man. As you can see, like, we done, hey, bro, we might gotta have us a little shoe sale or something, man. But leading into shoe sale, man, look, if y'all don't follow your boy over on Whatnot, make sure you follow me on Whatnot, man. I'm going crazy tonight. If you were watching this video on Tuesday, September 19th, I'm going live tonight. I'm gonna stream a little bit on YouTube on 9:30 p.m. Eastern. I'm on Whatnot, and I'm gonna be, you know what I'm saying, doing dollar steals, man, cause y'all see your boy got too much going on, man. But that's the first thing I wanted to talk about, man. The second thing, man, you know what I'm saying? Second thing, man. THEADS, man. THEADS. So look, this shoe is releasing, y'all. This shoe is releasing this weekend, Saturday, September 23rd, man. If you got your eyes on it, if you think you're gonna get a pair, man, leads me to my next thing, man. You need to cop you one of these fire Outrank brand tees, man. So this is a limited edition tee that goes perfect, of course, the THEADS, man, with the Sunset J Balvin 3s, you know what I'm saying? Like, you see what's going on, man. If y'all are copping these, it is a must, man. So this will be available over on outrankbrand.com this Saturday, September 23rd. Limited quantity, so first come, first serve, and it's one of them tees that not everyone will have. We also got another one right here. This is just the one that has the pouch that I had on in my last video. So 2 t-shirts releasing, limited quantities, man. Need I say more, man? THEADS. Hey, but come on, man, look, let's get into it. We ain't gonna do that, man. So unboxings, I told y'all we got unboxings to get into, so I ain't gonna hold y'all time up too much longer. One more thing, y'all. One more thing before we get into that, man. I know y'all see your boys rocking, you know, the fit that I do have on, and I want to show y'all some dope shorts, man. These shorts are from KINETIC Kings, y'all. Look, KINETIC Kings is a dope streetwear fashion website where you can get items such as these shorts, man. Look, let me show y'all them while I'm talking about them, man. So take a look at them. Those shorts right there, fire, of course, very comfortable. They are perfect for the occasion, as far as if you want to go out and have some comfortability, if you want to shoot some hoops, you want to take a walk, bro, perfect, man. It does have those side pockets, and man, it's just dope, man. And do have several other shorts just like those, man. And that's not only it, man. If you want a pair of those shorts, man, your boy Jay will bless y'all with a little bit of, you know, a little something to get y'all some money off on them, man. So if you head over to KINETIC Kings today and you find something that you like, put it in your cart, go to checkout, use promo code J10, and it will save you some bread off your purchase, man. So definitely, man, check out KINETIC Kings today. They do have a lot of different items. I actually ordered 3 pairs of shorts. I ain't gonna, you know what I'm saying, bombard y'all with those, but I'll show y'all them as little as, you know, I do my videos in the future. But I do have a couple pairs of them, man. But yes, sir, KINETIC King shorts, man, dope in my opinion. You see the purple, you see the, man, look, man, we got Bucks vibes, man. Come on, man, Milwaukee Bucks vibes, man. But that is it for that, man. Look, KINETIC Kings, check them out. But besides that, y'all, whoo, wifey, she recording, y'all. But look, I need your opinion on some of this stuff, so talk to me and let the people know what you think about these. So first thing we gonna unbox, y'all, thumbs it up if y'all like this style of unboxing too, y'all. Like I told y'all, thumbs it up. But first thing I got right here, and look, y'all gotta thumbs it up because I'm literally unboxing stuff in front of my wife. She probably gonna get at me for spending all this money on all this stuff and being like you know. But anyways, y'all, look, first item, got a hat right here, y'all. So I do got a hat. I picked up a hat. I don't even know where I got this from. Where did I get this from? I got this from New Era's website. First item, I'm gonna do some cleaning up after the video, but I got this Cincinnati? Is this a Cincinnati? I think it is. Chicago, I'm sorry. Pardon me, Chicago Cubs hat. Chicago Cubs fitted, y'all. Of course, we got that fitted joint right there. As you can see, Chicago Cubs, you know, clean with that yellow / tan underbrim. Clean in my opinion, man. So had to pick up this hat right here. Side patch, all that good stuff. Definitely clean, not bad. Let me take the stickers off because we don't need the stickers, man. Shout out to y'all. Y'all put me on. Y'all said, Jay, man, take them stickers off your hats. But anyways, real quick, not an unboxing, but this is a shoe that I went and picked back up from Stusa Kicks, y'all. If y'all are familiar with the Middle Georgia area, man, it's a shop out here called Stusa, and I did pick up a pair of Air More Tempos, wifey. You remember these?
Yes.
Yeah, she hate these shoes, y'all, man, but I went behind her back and I picked them up, you know what I'm saying, because I like them, you know what I'm saying. I buy what I like, just like you should. Buy what you like, you know what I'm saying, but I won't wear them around you, you know what I'm saying, if that helps, you know. I'll make sure I wear something that you like. But anyways, y'all, that is a shoe that I picked up right there. Another shoe that I picked up that I haven't showed y'all is right here, man. Classic, iconic shoe. It is the CB94s. Yep, CB94 OGs, man. I did pick up a pair of these right here. Clean shoe. Definitely actually kind of go with the fit that I got on, man. But talk to me, man. What you think, baby?
No.
That no go for her, man. See, she's so selective, but when you see the shoes that she like, you'll be like, huh? Nah, I'm just capping. But CB94s, bro, definitely not a bad pair. You know what I'm saying? Now we gonna officially, I guess, get into the unboxings. You feel what I'm saying? So, I know y'all thumbs it up already, right? Right. But anyways, man. So the next box that I have right here is a box from Nike sneakers, man. I told y'all, bro, if it was meant to be, it was meant to be. So right here, I do have. What do you know? What do you know? I got a size 9. You see it? Size 9 right there. Double up. You know what I'm saying? Double up. Double up. Double up. So yes, sir. Got my double up right here, man. The Jordan 8 playoffs. Fire shoe, man. Definitely a must cop. If y'all ain't check out my video yesterday where I showed these, the Jordan 2s and these in there, talked about the upcoming releases. Which one you like? Left or right?
Right.
Right. So I don't know what y'all are saying, but she says right. So that's this right. This one, right?
Yes.
We on the same page. So A's get the cake according to my wife, y'all. But anyways, man, double up right here. We got to keep it moving. I ain't gonna spend too much time, but got a double up pair of 8s right there. What is this right here? This is, but anyways, next, I don't even know what this is. I don't know where I got it. Yes, I do. Man, shout out to the homie Jake Trent, bro. Jake Trent, I say his name a lot on this channel because he be blessing your boy, man. He be coming through, bro. But another pair of shoes right here. Let me know if you like them, wifey. But this is the Nike Dunk right here. This is a recent pair. This is the, y'all help me out, man. What's the name of these? I forgot the name of these joints, but y'all know what these are, man. These are the St. John's, Saint something, man. But these retro came out on Sneakers Day. The only shoe that released like hip hop hooray, you know what I'm saying? But I do have a shoe that a lot of people thought was gonna be releasing on Sneakers Day, but it didn't release. But I'm gonna get to that in a second. But got these, man. Shout out to Jake Trent. He gave me the retail assist on these, and I think they actually going for retail, man. But I don't know. These might go up on whatnot. I don't even know if I want them. But you like those?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let's keep it moving, y'all. So hey, thumbs it up, man, if you want. Look, 2.5K likes, man. If y'all want to see wifey on the camera, if y'all want to see her on the channel, man, 3K, man. Y'all need to run it up, man. If y'all want me to put her in front of the camera, get her thoughts and opinions on shoes, man, thumbs it up, man. We gonna bring her out, man. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, hold on. Another box right here, y'all. Another box. This right here is by way of Whatnot. I picked this shoe up right here from Whatnot. Got a steal on it. I think I only paid like $42 for these. The plug, bro. I'm telling y'all, stop sleeping. And I'm gonna let y'all know how I spent $42 on this shoe right here. But Whatnot pickup right here. And like I said, a shoe that was supposed to release on Sneakers Day. If you know, you know, man. So yes, bro. Got a shoe right here. Arguably the sneaker of the year. my sneaker of the year probably. But anyways, man, look at the Chris box. The Chris box. Man, zoom in on that right quick, man. This is how we gotta rock. This is how we gotta rock right here. Yes. 1A, 1B. Yes, sir. And we do have 1C right here, man. So popping open the box, like I told y'all, I got this for around what, 40 something? You know what I'm saying? I forgot how much I paid for it, but it was under $60, I want to say. But how I did that, man, I invited a lot of people over to Whatnot, which you can do if you sign up with the link down below. Invite them and you will get a credit whenever they purchase an item, any item on Whatnot, up to $200, man. So I made a video how I got my Jordan 1 Lost and Founds for, I think, about the same price, man. So y'all sleep, man. But right here, I do have the Jordan 4 Bang Nike SB Pine Greens, man. So yep, got another pair right here, straight off Whatnot. You know the deal, man. I'm telling y'all everything that you need to know. The link is down below in the description. It's 100% free to sign up. And like I said, man, if you invite somebody with your referral code and they purchase something on there, you will get credit to be able to spend and get, you know what I'm saying, a lot of money off of anything that you purchase off of Whatnot, man. So Whatnot is the plug. But that's another shoe that I do have, but you ain't mad at that, is you? Only paid like $40-something. You like these shoes? Yeah. Okay, cool. Is this the best shoe to release this year? You think?
I don't know.
I'm gonna do it, y'all. Hold on. Hold on. Let's stop right there, man. Let me take a quick stroll. Which one you like better?
The green.
You like these better, huh?
Yeah.
Say no more, man. Say no. Hey, that wasn't rehearsed, y'all. That wasn't rehearsed, man. But whew, appreciate that, wifey. Bang, man. So here we go, bro. The last box I do have, of course, it's gonna be another pair of shoes. I purchased this shoe recently. When I went to a sneaker event not too long ago, I was like, bro, I need those back in the collection, man. And I ended up buying them. I went over to eBay and copped these joints. So they finally made it, and yeah, I got them back, man. So this right here, of course, eBay joints, authenticity guaranteed. We got, okay. So I guess eBay is now coming with an authentic card, as you can see. Authentic tag, as we always seen. We ain't worried about that though. But we got a nice colorful box right here, man. So this right here is a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS, man. Color blocking on this one is Fireberry Black. What is that, right? So what I did go back and pick up, man, come on, bro. It's already done, man. You see it? Bang, man. The Nike SB Dunk Low Paras, y'all. So I went back and picked these up because I regretted selling them. And actually, the pair that I had before was a 9.5, and I needed that good old size 9, man. So size 9 is here, brand new. Of course, OG all laces, everything. You see what's going on? Brand new. Of course, gum bottoms. But yeah, man, SB Dunk Low Paras. What you think about these?
Yeah.
You like them?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, these cold, man. So got these back in the collection, man. And that's it for the unboxing, man. I know it was a little lengthy video, but like I said, if y'all like this style of, you know what I'm saying, me talking to y'all and giving y'all a room preview, you know, we ain't just sitting behind the camera, man. Thumbs it up if you want to see the wifey on the channel, all that good stuff. She talking about she ain't gonna come from behind the camera, but come on, bro, hit that like button, man. We gonna make it happen. But 11s, I plan on having the early look where I throw these on feet like very soon, y'all. They're finally back, as you can see them, no cap. So they here, I just gotta throw them on for y'all, man. So stay tuned, look forward to that. And yeah, man, movies on the way, man. Make sure y'all check out Kinetic Kings, check out Outrank Brand, and definitely join in on the Whatnot tonight, man. Still starting at $1, but that is it. Your boy Jay is gone. I'm about to hear it from my wife for spending all this money on all these shoes, but I'm gonna run out before she say something, y'all. So I'm gonna holla.